Hello friends, this is Kamal Mandal and welcome to Technology was an Epic channel. Friends, I am going to show you all how to change your voice in software. Then I'll show you how to download the software today. So friends, let's begin. First of all, I used to do I used to search on the Microsoft Edge only because the software is more faster than a Google Chrome. So Audacity. The software name is Audacity. Okay. I've given the link on the description so you can download from there. So Audacity has the official site, so you can click on the official site. Let's go. So friends, download Audacity. It is for the Windows only. So it is asking for Audacity for Windows, Audacity for Mac, and Audacity for Linux, GNU. Okay friends, so I would like to download Audacity for Windows only because I have the Windows operating system. So Audacity for Windows I have clicked it. So on influence help files. Now here is the option. So I want this one, include help file. So the software is now save. I want to save as download only. Let's be okay. The download is being proceed. Now it's 75, 79. My internet is fast today. It is showing running security scan. I don't know how much time it will take, but it depends on your system. If your system is fast, then oh, it has been finished, it's downloaded. So I would like to open folder, friends. So here, Audacity Win 2.2, 2.2. Okay, let's run. It is showing up. It was showing the Windows sound very bad. I don't like the sound. You can see verified publisher Paul Likamele. What is the name? I also pronounce it. It is difficult to pronounce, but you also try it one time and comment on the comment me. Okay. So I have done yes. So there are options for the language. Okay. So you can click. I'll click English only because I know English. I don't know another language because I am not a foreigner. I am from India. Don't think that I am speaking English there so that I become a foreigner. Okay. Create a desktop shortcut. I want install. Yes, the software is being installed now. Extracting files. What the software? Oh my god. How much fast it is? Can you read? I cannot read, but I will try. Okay, so friends, do it next. I'll launch OSD I want. Okay, please. And now I'll show you how to change your voice. So friends, I have done with download and installing the software. So friends, now you'd like to record the voice, or you can insert your files or the music that you want to change the voice. Okay, so I used to like record. Hello friends, this is Kamal Mandal and welcome to Technology was a Big channel. And if you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Hope you like my video and enjoyed also. Okay, thanks. Okay friends, I've done with the recording. So now it is time for hearing one day. Okay friends, I'm playing it. Hello friends, this is Kamal Mandal and welcome to Technology was a Big channel. And if you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Hope you like my video and enjoyed also. Okay, thanks. Okay friends, as you have heard my voice from the desktop, so I would like to do some changes on my voice. So select it, or you can use the shortcut key Control A. So wait, I'm showing you Control A. I click it, so it has been selected. So there is a playback speed. Okay, so you can decrease. I've done 0.87. Wait, now you hear the sound.
Hello friends, this is Kamal Mandal and welcome to Technology Ocean Big channel. And if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Hope you like my video and enjoyed also. Okay, thanks.
Friends, as you have heard on the video, so the voice is actually it is like some means the voice is more bad than previous one. It looks like a robot is speaking behind. So friends, I like to do some big 1.10 I've done. Okay, let's hear one time. Hello friends, this is Kamal Mandal and welcome to Technology Ocean Big channel. And if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Hope you like my video and enjoyed also. Okay, thanks. Friends, as you have seen that the voice is some more good than previous one that I'm speaking on the mic. So friends, on the I've done with this one. So there are more one option from the effect. You can change speed. So you can decrease or increase. So I would like to increase the voice. So okay, let's hear one time.
Hello friends, this is Kamal Mandal and welcome to Technology Ocean Big channel. And if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Hope you like my video and enjoyed also. Okay, thanks.
Friends, as you have heard my voice on the software, on the Audacity, the voice is like a robot. Actually, we can change it into robot also. So, wait, I'm showing from here only playback speed. Uh, let's hear one time. Okay, ready, steady, go. Okay. Okay, friends, as you have heard on the voice is like a robot. From and I'm saying you that from decreasing, you can change your voice. It will be more deeper, and by increasing, it will be more smooth than previous one. Means better one. Okay. So the decreasing is better bad, and increasing you can tell us better. So I have shown you two options. There is a change page. So I would like to do in here. Okay. So one time. Okay.
Hello friends, this is Kamal Mandal and welcome to Technology.
As you have heard that the voice is like an somehow it is like a robot only because I changed it here. Let's play now. Effect. Now change speech. Now okay. I've done it. So click it. Hello friends, this is Salmandal and welcome to Technology. Friends, as you have heard on the voice is more how clear than the previous one. So friends, I'm I'll come with my next video. So friends, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Friends, also I'll show you more how about the Audacity software on the next video. So please friends, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye.